Okay guys, let's get started with this project. Do you think AI can actually help us? Because you know it's common nowadays. Any concern?
For me, I'm comfortable doing it manually because yeah, I feels like shortcut, but teachers always says that we need to develop our own skills. Plus, if we use AI, it will just get us more lazy. So I'm comfortable doing it manually.
How about you, Sharon?
Okay, that's good. But think about it. If we use AI to handle things or like gathering info and organizing tasks, you know that we save so much time and we still be doing the real thinking and creativity. Just not wasting our time on the repetitive stuff like that.
Okay. Let's focus on here. Do you think AI can actually help us out or stick to doing it manually?
I think we should stick to doing it manually. We can't just take shortcuts with everything. Plus, if we do it in our own, it will help us learn and grow.
Okay, I got your point, Hermie. But AI is just like a tool, right? So we can still do all thinking and creativity.
Okay, I get where Hermie coming from. But Sharon, what have you seen in school or even a real world about using AI? Does it actually help?
Well, I have seen a lot of professionals use AI to make their work easier or to make things easier. So it's not about skipping work in school. It's about being more efficient. I mean, even in school, we have a lot of tools like grammar checker and research assistant, right? So AI just make it easier to focus on the important stuff.
But I still think it's risky. If we rely on AI too much, we might forget how to do basic things on our own.
I can see how you're a little bit uneasy, Herbie. So, what's bugging around you about using AI? Does it feel like wrong to lean on technology?
Yes, it does feel like it could be taken easy. But I want to struggle through it. Really put in the effort.
Well, I totally understand your feeling, Hermie. But I think AI can actually help us focus on the important stuff like that. So, it's about like coming up with ideas and, analyzing info. So, AI is not about being lazy. It's help us to working smarter.
Alright, let's just imagine. If we use AI in searching and writing and organizing, what would be our project look like in the end?
Well, we have everything organized in no time, right? So, AI could find sources, structure our notes, and even help us brainstorm ideas. We'd have way more time to think critically and creatively with our project.
Yeah, I see how that would speed things up. But I still feel like we'd be missing the struggle and the process. So it's important to put in the effort in our work.
So, while using AI, how do you think that would change the way we work?
I think it might make things too easy. We just be copying what AI gives us, so we won't really be learning or thinking for ourselves.
I got what your point is, but I think we're still the one doing the real creative thinking. AI is just help us with our stuff like organizing research. In fact, it is a tool, not the whole project.
What if we don't use AI at all? Would it just the project harder or it just take long?
If you don't use AI, surely it will take longer. But at least we'll put effort in the work and really learn everything on our own. So no shortcuts in short.
I get that. But we'd also waste time doing the stuff that AI could easily handle, like searching the notes or our resources and organizing our notes, you know that we could still do everything with ourselves, but AI will just help us to do it faster.
I see both of you have made sense. Now, how do you both feel about doing it entirely on your own? First is about using AI. Do we really need help figuring this out?
I think we just need to be careful with how much we use AI. If we use it just for research and organizing, well, I'm okay with that. But we still need to do the real thinking and writing on our own.
Exactly. We live in technology world and we need to adapt it responsibly. Maybe that's the reason why our professor introduced using AI. It's not in education and it's used already professionally, right? So all we need to do is to be mature enough and to be manage it carefully and make sure that we still doing the work about practice.
Alright, looks like we've got compromise. We will use AI for research, organizing, and brainstorming. While in writing, analyzing, and creating, well, that's all on us.